Now, if you made it from the East Coast before the storm hit, you're lucky. Cancellations are piling up by the thousands. CBS 2's Dave Lopez is live at LAX with how the storm is affecting travel. Dave?
Well, it has basically paralyzed anyone who's trying to get from here to back east. It just can't be done. Behind me, you can see outside of Terminal 7, the United Airlines usually bustling with activity, people traveling back east, and they're not going to do it this weekend. If you made your plans well in advance and thought, hey, this would be a good weekend to travel, bad timing.
I've been trying to see it through.
David Yu's flight to New York was canceled. He was told he couldn't get another flight back east until Tuesday, so he went into a corner and performed an impromptu one-man concert.
There's no hope right now. I think there's some bad weather in New York, so.
There's bad weather, all right, all over the East Coast. And just about all the people in this United terminal wanted to have the same question answered. When can I get out of here?
I have to be at school for end of my master's, and I don't know that I'm going to make it there.
Where's school?
In New Hampshire.
We had a reservation, we had a flight, and they told us no, it's canceled, which is fine. I mean, we could have been stuck in worse places. So here we are, we're going back to Hollywood.
The airlines were doing all they could to appease the stranded customers. But with the number of canceled flights, both departures and arrivals, surpassing 80 by late afternoon, there's not much they can do.
I had to go through Newark to get there, and you can't get to Newark. So we'll see. Maybe Detroit or Chicago, because it's sunny in Burlington right now.
Well, there's nothing until Tuesday. So we're going to go to Vegas for the weekend.
Straight down to additional services?
For the most part, people were taking all of this in stride. After all, how are you going to be angry at Mother Nature? And they're waiting in line primarily because they're just hoping maybe somehow there's a way to get out of here to get to where they want to be.
There's no other way.
You can't call a number. And
No. Even the mobile app's not working on United. They're probably got 1 million people trying to get on it.
Maybe tomorrow? Probably not. Realistically, probably Sunday.
Hope springs eternal, or at least until the storm blows away. And for people who left New York City and arrived at LAX, they feel very fortunate. They were able to get out of New York before the storm.
We're lucky because we're here.
Get when I'm gone.
Meanwhile, David Yu says he'll wait out the storm, strumming his guitar and singing his songs.
It's going to be that kind of a weekend, all weekend long here at LAX. Again, over my shoulder, it's some police officers are coming by, but it is just, well, it's like a ghost town here, and it's going to be that way. So the cancellations are piling up. And again, if you are trying to get back east, not going to do it this weekend. Reporting live from LAX, I'm Dave Lopez, back here in the studio, Pat and Paul.
All right.